Have you ever tried to draw conclusions from hundreds of rows of data on a spreadsheet? Things get complicated, no doubt. The modern world demands customers manage and analyze multiple data sources simultaneously. It's extremely complex to manage, process, and analyze the data at the same time. A world of unfathomable data is hard to navigate without visualization. Data visualization extends far beyond static reports and spreadsheets. Worrying about managing, processing, migration, storage, analysis, and now visualization of data. Click2Cloud is a place where you can find all in one solution. One of the best services for visualizing data has been unveiled by Click2Cloud just for you. Innovation Factory, biggest growth driver to seamlessly connect hybrid data sources. Innovation Factory powered by Click2Cloud furnish you innovative analytical dashboard to increase productivity on Azure. Process your data with cloud services and generate analytical visualizations of your data. Innovation Factory offers you discovery and assessment, strategic accounts insights, executive support, industry-specific solutions, application development, AI, ML executive dashboards, activation and landing, and after-sales support. Enhance your present as well as future cloud needs with Innovation Factory today. Check back soon for more updates on Click2Cloud.